Welcome to Universal Institute of Advanced Studies, or UIAS. I am Donald Kamai. Are you ready to stop dreaming and start doing? My course is building your entrepreneurial capacity and skills. This isn't your average business course. This is a journey to unlock your inner entrepreneur and build a business that truly matters. For the 4 weeks, we'll dive into what it takes to succeed, from the first spark of an idea to sustainable growth. In UIS, we will assist you to thrive. We will start by ditching the old employee mindset and finding your unique why. Then we'll put your ideas to the test using the collective wisdom of the group to stress test your business model. We learn how to attract your first client and build relationships that last. But we won't stop there. We'll also cover the crucial stuff: real-world leadership, smart governance, and building the resilience you need to turn challenges into opportunity. Ready to transform your vision into reality? This course is your launch pad. Let's build something incredible together. See you in a UIAS class.